If you want to create super realistic videos generated by AI, then watch this video. My name is Mary, and this is Mary Finance. The first AI tool we will be looking at is Runway ML. Once you sign up, you get to this homepage. Go ahead and click on Get Started, and this page will open up. In the top left corner, you will see the 3 different models they offer. The Gen 3 Alpha model requires a paid subscription, so I'm going to show you the Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model, which you can use for free. This model converts an image into a video. First, head over to Luma AI to create an image. Type in something that you want to turn into a video. Then hit Generate. This will take a couple of seconds. Once you get an image you're happy with, just download it and then head back over to Runway ML. Now, what you want to do is upload the image to the section where we can describe what we want to see. For example, a young boy running happily. You can select the duration of the video. I'm going to select 5 seconds, then hit Generate. Just wait a couple of seconds for your image to convert, and as you can see, we get a really decent video that's super realistic. Let's try generating another scene with the same character. Head back over to Luma AI, copy the seed, and paste it in this section right here. This button should be activated. Next, you can change the prompt to something different. I just changed the scene and clicked on Generate. Now we have images of the same young boy, but playing with a dog instead. This tool would be especially useful if you're making children's stories for YouTube. Okay, so now let's upload our new image onto Runway ML and change the prompt to fit the image. Click on Generate again, and within a few seconds, you'll get a really decent video. If you're not happy with the video, you can always click on Generate to produce a new video. Runway ML also has a lip sync feature. Click this button right here and wait for the AI to detect a face. Now we can either upload some audio or type in some text to begin the lip sync. I'm going to add some text and then select a suitable voice from the options. Now hit Generate. Let's watch.
Hey there! My name is Jack, and you're watching Mary Finance.
So this is pretty cool. We can definitely create children's stories for YouTube with this tool. Okay, so the next tool I will be using is Luma Labs AI. Head over to their website, click on Try Now, and sign up with Google. Once you're on their website, click on Upload Image and upload the image you want to animate. Now, type in a prompt like before and click on the button to generate. I have found that Luma Labs takes much more time to generate a video compared to Runway ML. Sometimes, I had to wait for even a day just to create a single video. So, if you want faster generations, you definitely have to upgrade to a paid plan for priority generation. Let's watch the video. As you can see, it's pretty glitchy and completely different from our Runway ML video. I'm sure you can get it up to the level of Runway ML by regenerating it a couple of times, but you can just tell that it's not as powerful as Runway ML. Let's try the other image just to be fair. I uploaded the dog image and typed in a prompt again. Let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, it's pretty bad again compared to Runway ML. The next website is LTX Studio. This one is a little different to the others as it can generate an entire video from a single prompt. Click on the right prompt button and then type in the story you want to see. Click Next, and this page will appear. Here we can edit anything we want, change the name and the aspect ratio. We have so many video styles to choose from. I'm going to go for the fantasy art style to make it a kid's story. I'm even going to add in a reference image to get the character looking like the picture we generated earlier. Click on Edit under the cast section and change anything you don't like about the character. You can even select a voice for your character. Once you're happy with everything, click on Start, and LTX Studio will generate an entire storyboard for us. From this page, we can change literally anything we like, and to convert an image to a video, just click this button right here. We get amazing results, as you can see. I quickly selected a couple of other images and converted them to videos as well. This is pretty cool. Now let me show you something even cooler. You can change the camera angle of any image. For example, let's change this image from a close-up to a from below shot. This is amazing. Okay, now let's see the generated video. Awesome. LTX Studio is really powerful. A useful tip to convert all the images to videos at once is to click on Preview and then Generate All. The capabilities of this AI tool are endless. Definitely make sure to check it out. It's linked in the description. Okay, so the fourth and final website is Kling AI. Once you sign up for an account, click on the AI video section. They have two tools we can use. First, let's test out the text-to-video tool. I copied in the same prompt that I've used in the previous generations, and then hit Generate. A single generation costs 10 credits, but don't worry, cause we get 66 credits when we first sign up for free. I have found this tool to be pretty fast, creating videos in just minutes. As you can see, the video is super realistic and high quality, probably the closest in quality to Runway ML in my opinion. Please note that you can only download the video with a watermark on the free plan. Okay, now let's try out the image to video tool. I'll use the same image I generated earlier with Luma AI. Once again, we use up 10 more credits for this generation. Okay, so after a couple of minutes our video is ready. Perfect, it's definitely realistic. That's it for this video, guys. If you could give this video a like, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, to conclude this video, I'm going to rank the 4 websites in order of quality of images and power of the AI tool. Number 1 has to be Runway AI, due to the fact that its videos are super high quality. In second place is LTX Studio. The main reason is due to the immense editing capability of the AI tool. And in third place is Kling AI. Its videos come out looking really polished and clear, but it's nowhere near the same level as Runway ML in my opinion. I gave last place to Luma Labs AI because of 2 reasons. 1 was the generation time for the free account was very long, and 2, because the videos generated were super glitchy and not even close to the quality of Runway ML. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. As always, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the latest AI news and reviews.